Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, the Best FIFA Men's Player Award, along with the Ballon d'Or Award, is one of the most prestigious individual prizes given in the football world every year. The Ballon d'Or saga was finally over, with Messi winning the award for record 7th time, and now all eyes are set on FIFA The Best Awards. Robert Lewandowski deservingly won the award last year, but this year there could be a close fight. So without further delay, let's take a look at 5 favorites who can win the FIFA Men's Best Player of the Year. At 5th, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo has had a stellar year at an individual level. He won the Serie A Golden Boot by scoring 29 goals in 33 appearances for Juventus in the 2020-21 season. The Portuguese international followed it up by winning the Golden Boot at Euro 2020, scoring 5 goals and providing an assist in 4 appearances in the tournament. But a lack of major trophies could act as a major impediment for him in the race for the FIFA Best Men's Player Award. At 4th, Karim Benzema. Benzema has seriously improved his credentials in the race for the Best FIFA Men's Player Award over the course of the summer. He justified his call-up to the France national team for Euro 2020 after a 6-year absence by scoring 4 goals in 4 appearances at the tournament. Benzema scored 30 goals and provided 9 assists in 46 appearances across all competition for Los Blancos last season, and was arguably their best player. The 33-year-old's chances of winning the Best FIFA Men's Player Award also suffer from a lack of major trophies. Unfortunately for the veteran striker, Real Madrid went trophyless for the first time in 11 years in the 2020-21 season. At 3rd, Jorginho. No footballer has had a better summer than Chelsea and Italy midfielder Jorginho. The midfielder is a UEFA Champions League and European Championship winner and is widely regarded as one of the best in the world in his position. His distribution is a top-notch and so are his defensive attributes. He possesses a great reading of the game and is always on hand to make interceptions and blocks. Jorginho's positional awareness has also gone a long way towards making his teams formidable at the back. Jorginho is a worthy contender for the Best FIFA Men's Player Award this year. At 2nd, Robert Lewandowski. Lewandowski is arguably the best striker in the world right now. The Bayern Munich centre-forward has been an extremely prolific goalscorer in recent times. He broke Gerd Muller's record for the most goals scored in a 38-game Bundesliga season by scoring 41 goals in 29 appearances. Lewandowski also managed to score 3 goals at Euro 2020. He is definitely in with a shout to win the Best FIFA Men's Player Award in 2 successive years. Winner of last year's award, Robert Lewandowski has stacked up incredible numbers to make a push for it this time around as well. At 1st, we have none other than Lionel Messi. Messi won a record 7th Ballon d'Or on Monday. Although he is yet to really get going at Paris Saint-Germain, but Messi did a great job last season. He single-handedly dragged Barcelona back into the 2020-21 La Liga title race. The lack of a major international trophy has been used as an argument to deny Lionel Messi the GOAT status. But this summer, he took things into his own hands and propelled Argentina to continental glory in the Copa America. Lionel Messi has been at his brilliant best in 2021. Not only did he win La Liga's Golden Boot with Barcelona, but he was also the best player in Copa America 2021. Friends, the much-coveted trophy will be handed out at the Best FIFA Football Awards online ceremony, which will be held on the 17th of January in Zurich. Well, let's see who wins the Best FIFA Player of the Year. Tell us your favorite in comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.